Good morning, children. Welcome back to your SST class.
Ma'am.
Good morning, beta. How are your holidays? A long break, huh? Yes? Mute yourself. Riddhi Agarwal. How were your holidays, beta? How was your break?
Ma'am, I will. Ma'am, my very good. Ma'am, I do very fun.
Okay. You enjoyed your holidays, huh? Very nice. Wonderful. Now, yes, all of you enjoyed them. Very good. Very nice.
What we do?
But now back to studies, huh? We have to study hard now. Okay, all of you take out your SST books. We are going to begin the next chapter.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Ma'am, please hold for a second.
What?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Everybody take out your SST books and your SST copies also.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Good
children.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, which page number?
I don't have the book. I don't know the page number. The chapter name
Ma'am,
is
20.
Responsibilities of Good Citizens.
Ma'am, the page number is 20. 20 page number.
So how do we begin a chapter?
Ma'am, with key points. Yes, ma'am.
No.
Ma'am, dictation word. Dictation.
Yes. We begin any chapter with difficult words. So write down today's date, chapter name, and the heading. Write down today's today's date, chapter number 3, name of the chapter, and the heading difficult words.
Like you never see that.
Okay, ready? Children, I'm going to share screen with you. And from there, you are going to write the difficult words.
Good citizen. Ma'am, please share the screen. Ma'am, please share the screen. Ma'am. Ma'am, we have started next chapter. Third chapter. Ma'am, please scroll down. Ma'am, 10 word no showing. Ma'am, please scroll up. Ma'am, please scroll up.
Beta, when somebody has told me to scroll it down, then I will wait for 2 minutes, no?
Please scroll up.
Now you have to wait for 2 minutes. Let everybody write these many words. Then I'll scroll up. Wait for 2 minutes.
What we write heading.
Heading, beta, you will write the heading. Chapter 3, Responsibilities of Good Citizen and Difficult Words. Write down today's date.
Ma'am, what is written on 8th number?
8th number, beta, it is written elderly. Elder. You've heard of the word elder? The word is elderly.
Yes, Mom, what is the 9th? And what is chapter name?
Take out your books, all of you. First, take out your books. Are you sitting in the class without your books? See the chapter's name from the book. Yes. We have already done 2 chapters. Today we started with the third one.
Yes.
Now tell me, what is the chapter's name?
Ma'am, responsibilities of good citizen.
Yes. Responsibilities of good citizen. Write down. I told you in the beginning to write today's date. Write down chapter 3 on the top. Then its
Ma'am, I
name.
have done. Ma'am, I have done.
Beta, no problem. Now keep sitting. Everybody is doing. You have to wait now and be quiet in the class.
Ma'am, please scroll down.
Oof.
Ma'am, scroll down. Ma'am, what is written in 12 and 13? Ma'am, what is written on 11th word?
Beta, the 11th word is electronic. Electronic.
Ma'am, can you scroll up? Ma'am, I Ma'am, I is done. Ma'am, please scroll.
Written, children, all of you have written.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I have written till 17. And I have done the decoration also. No, ma'am. Ma'am, done.
How many are still doing?
I am not done.
Do it, Beta, do it, do it.
Ma'am, I have written.
Ma'am, I
Ma'am, please scroll down.
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, please scroll up.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I
Yes,
remove the
ma'am.
screen now?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Done.
Anybody who is still doing?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, please
Yes.
scroll down.
Ma'am, I am doing.
Okay, beta, do it.
Ma'am, please scroll up. Ma'am, what is 14th one? Ma'am, what is 14th one?
Beta, the 14th word is street lights. Street light. Done, beta? All of you have done or are still doing?
Ma'am, done.
Done. Okay. Now next what we'll do is, let me first of all remove the screen. Okay. Now everybody open your books. We will start reading the chapter now. Let's do the chapter explanation. Who will read?
Ma'am, can I read?
Beta, who is your class teacher?
Ma'am,
Pooja ma'am.
Pooja ma'am. Okay. Yes, who will read?
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes, Akshaj.
Understanding civics.
No, not from here. Beta, how do we start reading? I've told you now from where to begin the chapter. When we begin it, how do we begin?
Of good. Chapter 3, Responsibility of Good Citizen. First topic, understanding civics.
Let's learn about. Now you have to read this also, what we are going to learn in this chapter. Let's learn about.
Let's learn about civics sense and citizens, respecting neighbors, responsibility of a good citizen, election and voting, caring for public property, understanding civics. Civics is a subject that teaches us about how the government of a country works. Every country is run by a government. Some countries are run by kings and queens, while some countries like ours run by a body of leaders elected by us. We learn about citizens' rights and duties from civics. It is important for us to help our government and to make sure it works smoothly and able government works in interest of the country and the citizens.
Okay,
A citizen,
that's all, beta. So have you heard about this term civics before? Yes, you've heard? Yes. What is civics? Have you not heard about history, civics, geography?
No, I've heard about geography and history.
Ma'am, I know.
Okay.
Ma'am, it
So-
is a subject.
Yes, it is a subject. We all know till now that it is a subject. But what is this subject about? We have learned it today. This subject is about the government. This subject teaches us about how the government of a country works. Right? Only
Yes, ma'am.
in this subject we come to know that how a country is run by a government, how the government is elected, and different things, how it is managed. So we will learn all this in this chapter. We all know that a country is run by a government, but there are countries who are ruled by kings and queens. But our country is what? It is run by a government. Now, who elects this government? Who chooses the government? Is government just one person? No. What is a government?
No.
Government is formed
government
by
is a
many people. Yes. And who forms it? Who chooses it? It is we. It is the people of the country, of a nation. It is the citizens of a nation who choose their government. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Now, now next, start reading, beta. Who will read? Who will read? Okay, Aradhya Singh. Aradhya Singh, start reading.
Mom, from respecting neighbor.
First paragraph, page number 21.
A citizen is a person belonging to a country. We are Indian citizens. All citizens have rights and duties towards their country to live happily. We must have a sense of respect, duty, and responsibility towards each other. This is called civic sense.
We are the citizens of which country?
India.
India. We belong to India, so we are the citizens of India. Right? Are you okay? We
Yes,
are
ma'am.
Indian citizens. All citizens have rights and duties towards their country. Do you think that you have some duties towards your country? You think that you are dutiful towards your country? You have a few duties. Yes or no? Children, do you have
Yes.
some? Yes. So what are those duties?
Yes, ma'am.
As
Helping
a-
each other.
Yes, helping each other is our moral duty. Then what else? Yes,
Keeping our country clean.
very nice. This is our duty towards our country, to keep our country clean, to grow more trees, to plant more trees is again a duty towards our country. Then
Garbage in dustbin.
to save water, to save and conserve natural resources. What are all these?
And ma'am, to not cut trees.
Garbage
Yes.
Ma'am,
To take care to take care of old monuments and buildings, to take care of public places, parks, to save electricity, to save water. These are all what? These are our duties towards our own country.
Ma'am,
And
not waste food and electricity.
yes, very nice. So we have these certain responsibilities, we have these certain duties that we have to do towards our own country. And then they say that we must have a sense of respect, duty, and responsibility towards each other. This is called civic sense. What is it called? It is called civic sense.
Civic sense.
Now, when you live in a society, okay, wherever you live, whichever society you live in, you behave respectfully with the people around you, isn't it? Or you just go and be rude to them. You just go and hit them. You just go and beat them. Do you live like this in your societies?
No, ma'am.
You live nicely, you live respectfully, you respect each other, you care for each other. This is what? This is civic sense. Yes. Showing respect to each other, having a sense of understanding and helping each other is what? Is civic sense. Okay? Then,
Okay.
next, now coming on to respect. What is the next topic? Respecting neighbors. Who will read it? Who will read it? Manya, read it out.
To be good citizen, we first have the good neighbors. Neighbors share some surroundings and hence may have some problems. People should work together to solve one another problem and learn the value of being
What happened, beta? Surroundings. Neighbors share the same surroundings and hence may have the same problems.
and learn the value of being
Cooperative.
cooperative. Sometimes we only help people whom we know. To be a good neighbor, we should be kind and offer our help to everyone around.
Okay. So now what they say, to be good citizens, not to be a good citizen of the country, what we must do, we must be a good neighbor first. Okay. First, we will be a good neighbor to our people living near our houses. Then only we will be what? Good citizens of our nation. Neighbors share same surroundings, right? People who live nearby us, we call them neighbors. And what do? We share the same surroundings. Suppose you live in Pavan Vihar. So, who are your neighbors? People living in that area only are your neighbors.
I live in Pavan Vihar.
Who lives? Okay, wait, I'm getting a call, children. Hello. Okay, so next we have what I'm saying. Okay, who lives in Pavan Vihar? I by chance just took this name, Pavan Vihar. Nobody lives. Who just said? I think Ansh Patel said, and he's now gone.
Yes, ma'am. Ansh
Okay.
Patel sir.
So if you face any kind of problem, so people around you may have the same kind of problem, isn't it? if suppose there is no electricity, so no, it is not only your problem. It will be a problem of your neighbors also. They may have same problem. If there is water clogging on the roads, right? So it may be your problem as well as your neighbor's problem. So sometimes what happens, our problem is the same as our neighbor's problem. People should work together to solve each other's problem and learn the value of being cooperative. Don't you think we should be cooperative towards each other? We should cooperate with each other whenever we come across any tough times. What should we do? We should be cooperative with each other. We should try to help each other out. And what we do, it is a normal human nature, it is a normal tendency that if suppose we have any problem, we know somebody is in problem, we only help that person out when he is known to us. If a person who is unknown to us and is in a problem, we generally don't take care of his problem, right? We only help him out when we know that, yes, we know this person, so we help him out. Do we help strangers? Have you ever seen?
No,
Do you
ma'am.
help strangers?
No,
So
ma'am.
this is
No,
what
ma'am.
they write. This is what is seen. Just a minute, children. So what is said? Sometimes we only help people whom we know. To be a good neighbor, we should be kind and offer help to everyone around us. Okay? People who, even those who we don't know, we should try to help them out. Clear? Next. Now, what is DIY? Okay, let's do this. Just mark down these things. Just mark down these things on your own. And be true to yourself. If you don't throw the wrappers in the dustbin, don't put a tick, put a cross. Okay? Sometimes what you do, you throw them on the roads also. Right? So only if you follow these things, be true to yourself and fill this table.
Ma'am, it's 12 a.m.
Yes, beta, I know, but still there is 1 minute left. Okay, I think my other class students have started joining it.
Ma'am, done.
All right, children, now you can move to your next class.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.